Hi, my loves. It's been a while. I can't tell you how happy I am to be back here. I know I've been off the grid for quite some time now, and if you've been wondering why, I want to share with you what I've been doing, what have I learned in this time, and more importantly, what is next on this channel. I started this channel to talk about femininity, personal growth, and holistic health. But for a while, I felt disconnected, and not just from my content, but from myself. And I needed time to figure out why. So today, I'm sitting down with my heart open, ready to talk. The truth is that I was trying to start something new, but I continued holding on to my old mindset, and that never works. I wasn't ready to let go of my deep seated beliefs, my preconceived notions, and past experiences that no longer served me. I kept trying to fit in my current self into an outdated frame, and it felt off. My videos were no longer an authentic expression of who I was becoming. So I thought this was a good time to take a break and see the whole thing from a bird's eye perspective. Even though I deeply believe in the things that I talk about, femininity, wellness, and healing, I just wasn't feeling them this time. And I felt like I was saying words, but my soul wasn't in it. So that's not who I want to be here. And that break in that way was justified. So I stepped back. I gave myself some time to sit in silence and do the uncomfortable inner work and to shift fully. And now I know that this is what I'm meant to do. I want to share my insights. I want to document my journey, not because I have all the answers, because I don't. And just because, just maybe that my experiences will help someone who's walking on a similar path. Many will ask, am I there yet? And the answer is no, I am not. But there's one thing I've realized, that we all have our own journeys. There is no comparison, there is no set timeline for success, and that's okay. Even though my knowledge wasn't always enough to fix my own life, I've still been lucky enough to help a lot of people around me with nutrition, relationships, self awareness, and spirituality. And now I want to take that same energy that I used to give out and turn it inward to truly live what I believe and share that process with you. I don't think God gives us more than what we can handle. So I know that I haven't gone all in on my own advice and applied it in my life. So I'm going to take up this challenge and share my journey here with you. Anyway, all things aside, there are a few things that this break taught me. Some hard but necessary lessons. And the first one is to listen to your body. I was following a regimen that looked great on paper, but deep down I wasn't really feeling it in every bone of my body. Honestly, it was a half-hearted effort, like going through the motions without truly believing in the outcome. And when you operate from that space, progress feels empty. Now I trust how I feel, not just what I should do. Number 2, simplify your systems. Perfectionism kills consistency. If your daily habits are too complicated, you will eventually stop doing them. And so the key is to build simple, repeatable systems that ensure that you'll show up even on your lowest days. Number 3, do not settle for dusty ass men. Ladies, I know it's difficult to find men who meet the traditional high value standard these days, but settling is not an option. As we elevate ourselves, we naturally attract better people into our lives. So keep raising your frequency and trust that the right person will find you and meet you there. Number 4, stop seeking validation. People will always have opinions, well meaning or not, but at the end of the day, you are the only one living your life. And if something calls you, follow it. Trust yourself even when no one understands. Number 5, take a leap of faith. Because believe me, when you surrender and trust, God listens. So, what does all of this mean for this channel? It means it's a fresh start, one that feels more aligned, intentional, and real. I want this to be a safe space for anyone who resonates with my message. I know that my views are not mainstream. I have a more conservative take on femininity, relationships, and health. And I know that I might invite criticism, but I also know that there are so many women out there searching for these conversations, and this is for you. Moving forward, I'll share more of what I truly love, gluten free recipes, because healing begins with food, day in my life, which show the real routines that I do and real progress, and you guys can hold me accountable for that. DIYs for eco friendly living, because sustainability is powerful. Dating and relationships from a feminine, high value perspective. Lifestyle videos on self improvement and inner healing. I want to be both your friend and guide on this journey. I do not claim to be a holistic practitioner, but I do believe that my insights can help someone navigating the same challenges. Most importantly, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let's create this space together. I've missed posting more than I can express, and more than anything, I start this channel to record my own journey so that one day I can look back and see how I navigated the chaos and reached a better place. This isn't just content for me, this is my life, my lessons, and my way of connecting with those who get it. So, thank you for being here and for listening. I can't wait to share this next chapter with you. Sending you a ton of love and light, and see you in my next video.